And here it is, my Electron Microscopy coloring book. But before we open it, we need to do a couple of things. First of all, preparing the sample. Coating it with a thin layer of metal, and I mean nanometer thin. Put it inside the electron microscope and start shooting some electrons at it. And here we go. This coloring book is available on Amazon. It contains 70 grayscale pictures which can be colored using pencil or watercolor pencils. These 70 pictures come from 10 different subjects, from dust to pollen to yeast and plenty of diatoms. The pictures are also on a single page to avoid the bleed of the color. And they can also be removed from the book and hang it as an art piece in your room. Some pictures are also very intricate and tricky to color, but many of them can be colored by adults, kids, toddler, and so on. I mean, whoever wants to color them, I'm not here to policing how to color it. So, pick up some pencils and have fun with it.